In this video, we're going to be changing the cabin air filter here in a 2020 Ford F-150. Okay, we're going to start off passenger door. Okay, to access the filter, it's behind the glove box. So we're going to drop the glove box. There's a little knob here that's follows the channel in that side. In this side, you have the arm. And if you look on the inside of the glove box, there's like a keyhole slot there that we need to release from the, push it inside that way, like that, and then take it out like that. And then the other side, you're just going to pull that out like that to get that knob out of the slot, and then we're going to lower the glove box. So now we need to remove this part. Keep in mind you have this switch here that may have an electrical wire to it for the glove box light. So we'll empty this. Okay, now our carbon filter's back here. We need to get this out of the way. So in order to do that, we're going to take this piece of trim off. We're going to pop this. There we go. Got these clips, and that's where we were unclipping. This clip to remove, that's going to get us access to the screws to remove our next step here.
Exact bolt.
Right there and right there. And we're going to use a 7mm nut driver. All right, just got to use a little bit of force here. Pull this away. Same thing over here.
Oh, you gotta lift that. That's what it kind of moved it. I think it is heavy stuff.
There we are. Now swing this down so you don't have to play with that wire. Now, back in here is where we're going to have access to our, right here is where our filter is. So right there, there's a clip, and there's another clip on this side. So we need to release those clips like that. Just reach behind, do that. And there's our cabin air filter. Keep in mind these are directional. So you're going to watch the arrow right there pointing down. So when we replace the other one, the arrow is going to be pointing down as well. And here we have it. Okay, here's our replacement air filter. This was bought on Amazon. Here's the part number. I could leave a link in the description if you're interested. Now, you're going to look for that directional arrow. And of course, when we took it out, it was pointing down. So we're going to install it pointing down. Okay, got that in. Now we'll do everything in reverse. We'll put that cover back on. Slide these tabs down into the holder there. One on one side, one on the other, and clip it in. Okay, now we'll put our trim back in. Keep in mind that's got to be on top of this.
It's right on the bottom.
We push the bottom in first, then in there. Good. Seems so much easier going back in. Now we'll put our 2 screws back in. Keep in mind these clips sometimes come off, so just make sure you got your little clips in place. There we go.
Should
Now
show.
this got these clips here. It's going to line up with these notches here. So you're going to kind of lay it on top at first, and then just push it in. There we are. Okay. Now we'll lift this back up, pull this in. Make sure your other hinge arm is down. And that goes in the channel. Pull that so that's in there. And we'll put the hinge piece back in here. There.
Yep.
Okay, this is how you install and replace the cabin air filter in a Ford F-150 2020. If you think a replacement part like this should take this much work to do, comment down below. I'd like to know. We'll see you on the next one.